Welcome, folks. Today, we're discussing digital twins and 6G networks. It's a really fascinating area.
I'm excited to learn more. So, what exactly is a digital twin?
Well, in simple terms, a digital twin is a virtual representation of something real. It could be a physical object, a whole system, or even a process. The key thing is that it continuously updates using real-time data from its physical counterpart.
I see. Interesting. So, it's like a digital mirror that reflects what's happening in the real world?
Exactly. And because it's constantly updated, it can mirror the behavior, state, and even the dynamics of the real thing.
Got it. Now, how does this relate to 6G networks? Why are digital twins important there?
As wireless communication moves towards more autonomous and context-aware systems, digital twin technology is expected to become a foundational component of next-generation network design and operation. Think of it this way. 6G networks are going to be incredibly complex, and digital twins can help us manage that complexity.
That makes sense. So, what are the specific benefits of using digital twins in 6G networks?
Well, by combining sensing technologies, data analytics, simulation models, and machine learning, a digital twin can do several things. It can monitor performance, predict future states, and optimize system behavior. All of this without actually interfering with the real-world system.
So, it's like having a risk-free environment to test and optimize the network before making changes in the real world?
Now, precisely, it allows for intelligent, predictive, and adaptive communication systems. It's a powerful tool for managing and improving these complex networks.
This has been very insightful. Thank you for explaining digital twins and 6G networks.
You're welcome. It's a really exciting field, and I'm glad we could shed some light on it. Goodbye, folks.